Welcome to eInsurans, your trusted digital platform for foreign worker insurance. Here, you can buy SPIKPA and IG insurance online in minutes using FWCMS ITR. It is fast, hassle-free, and linked to FWCMS Gateway. We have over 8,000 plus clients insured, protected over 100,000 plus workers, and of course, 99% top satisfaction. Here, we have 5-star Google reviews. And once you purchase, the system will auto-update FWCMS. We are always online, always reliable. We have secure card, FPX and FPX B2B payments. And of course, fast support, real people. That's why we are here every day, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Just WhatsApp us. Now, please select your preferred insurer. Here, please key in your ITR number, PHS for FWHS, PIG for FWIG, and your OSSM number and press submit. Once you press submit, you can see that everything is auto-populated. You are on the right way. Check everything else, insert your new SSM number, check your email, check your phone number. If everything is okay, just press next. So here you see that the worker also auto-populated. You just have to update the period of cover. So these two workers expired long time ago. So if the worker permit already expired, just put today's date. If the worker permit have not expired, just add one more day. If you have different worker expiry, just choose the one nearest and apply the logic of if it is expired, put today's date. If it's not expired, just plus 1 day. That is what you have to do. So for the immigration part, just select the immigration to your office, which is Wilayah in this case, and just click next. So in this page, you can see the summary of your business and the workers and also the premium. Just press payment. Press tick, press OK, and here you can select your payment method. So here we get to have credit card, FPX Personal, and FPX Corporate for Lompet. Let's select FPX Corporate. So here, you can make payment directly to Lompet. After you make payment, you can download the policy in the website and it will also auto-email to your email address. At the same time, the system will also update FWCMS status. You will receive email from FWCMS titled Insurance Purchase Successful, and the status of your FWCMS will change to Insurance Purchase or Pending GIM Approval, just like that. Once again, we thank you for trusting eInsurance. Just contact us if you need any help. Our system auto-update FWCMS status, always online, always reliable. We have secured card, FPX, FVS B2B payments, and of course, fast support, real people. This is eInsurance, your trusted digital platform for foreign worker insurance. Thank you so much.